Let's start with the beans filling, for which I have 1 cup of boiled rajma or kidney beans, and I'm going to mash it with a teaspoon of oil. Next up, let's make a delicious sauce which we'll use in the filling as well as a topping. So we combine 3 tablespoons of a spicy red chili sauce with half a cup of tomato ketchup and a teaspoon each of red chili flakes, oregano and pizza seasoning. Any flavorings of your choice can be added. Mix it up well, and we'll add in 3/4 of this sauce mix into the mashed kidney beans. To adjust the flavorings, I'm going to add in some salt and some cumin powder. Mix it well and the filling's ready. Next, let's assemble. So we have the khakhra here. You can of course use a tostada or a roasted tortilla. I'm just using khakhra today. Smear some ghee or butter on top and spread over 2 to 3 tablespoons of the beans filling we prepared. Top it up with some cheese and then layer another khakhra over it. Spread over the prepared sauce. And for some extra toppings, I like to add in some boiled corn for color and for nutrition, of course, and some pizza seasoning and lots of cheese. Feel free to add in any other vegetables of your choice. And of course, can't miss out on some jalapenos because this is Mexican and I love the kick it brings in. So we place the khakhra on a hot tawa and cover and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. The khakhra will flatten a bit, but it still remains crispy. So we just drizzle over some ketchup, some sour cream and a bit of coriander leaves for a garnish and serve immediately. I hope you enjoyed our unique spin on Mexican tostadas. These are really simple to put together and they taste absolutely delicious. If you do happen to try it out, do tag us on our socials or leave us a comment down below. Until next time, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!